How to fix CapCut no internet problem. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. As you do that, check on the Play Store application on your device and make sure you're logged into your account. After that, search for CapCut and make sure you have an updated version of the CapCut application on your device. So here, as you can see, there is no option of update, which means we have the latest version of CapCut application. So we're going to head back to the home screen and swipe up to the app list and make a long press on CapCut. Now tap on app info, and as I tap on app info, make sure you tap on the option of clear data at the bottom right corner of the screen. So just tap on it and clear the cache. As you do that, you can just make a long press on power button and then tap on reboot and restart the device, and this might help you fix CapCut no internet problem. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.